Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Trabant 601, the iconic car from the former DDR, East Germany, that's making a stunning return, reimagined for modern times. This beloved classic is back with a fresh design, updated technology, and an electric heart, blending nostalgia with innovation. On the exterior, the 2025 Trabant 601 retains the unmistakable shape and rugged appeal that made it a symbol of its era. Its classic silhouette, boxy lines, and front grille are faithfully preserved, while modern touches like LED headlights, a sleek chrome accent, and a new color palette bring it into the present day. Under the hood, the Trabant 601 is now fully electric, powered by a compact yet powerful battery that delivers around 250 kilometers of range on a single charge. With instant torque and smooth acceleration, this electric version promises a driving experience that's as enjoyable as it is eco-friendly. Inside, the cabin offers a minimalist design with retro-inspired touches. A new digital dashboard, a central touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, and comfortable seating provide a blend of classic charm and modern convenience. Safety features have been upgraded as well, with lane assist, rear-view camera, and automatic emergency braking systems all standard in the new Trabant 601. The 2025 Trabant 601 is a perfect fusion of the old and the new, a tribute to the past, while paving the way for the future. It's not just a car. It's a piece of history, redefined for a new generation. Subscribe, like, and share the Auto Vault for more exciting updates.